A significant event in Je Tsongkhapa's life was when he met his own teacher, Rendawa. Je Tsongkhapa was already a well-respected scholar and practitioner, but he felt that something was missing from his practice. When he met Rendawa, he was struck by the depth of the teacher's knowledge and the sincerity of his devotion. Rendawa challenged Je Tsongkhapa to go beyond his intellectual understanding of Buddhism and to cultivate a deeper experiential understanding of the teachings. Je Tsongkhapa took Rendawa's teachings to heart and began to engage in more intense spiritual practices, including long retreats and prostrations. Through his dedication and effort, he experienced profound insights and developed a deeper appreciation for the power of compassion and the importance of living in accordance with the Buddhist teachings. This encounter with Rendawa served as a turning point in Je Tsongkhapa's life and teachings. It helped him to develop a more profound and integrated understanding of the teachings, which he went on to share with his own students and disciples. The story of Je Tsongkhapa's meeting with Rendawa serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of finding a good teacher and being willing to engage in sincere and dedicated spiritual practice. Through the guidance of a wise teacher and the diligent cultivation of our own practice, we can deepen our understanding of the teachings and transform our lives in profound and meaningful ways.